Cervical lymph nodes. So in this we will be discussing the competency, extent, drainage and applied anatomy of cervical lymph nodes. Cervical lymph nodes are located along the lymphatic vessels in the neck. There are about 300 lymph nodes in the neck. Lymph nodes are embedded in the soft tissues of the neck. That is, they are surrounded by fat. Classification. The American Joint Committee on Cancer classification of cervical lymph nodes is commonly used by surgeons and oncologists. In this, the parotid and retropharyngeal lymph nodes are not included in this classification. The classification is not specific for ultrasound examination. Another classification of cervical lymph nodes was established by Hajek for ultrasound examinations. The cervical lymph nodes are classified into 8 regions according to the location, according to this classification. So the groups of cervical lymph nodes are submental, submandibular, parotid, upper cervical along internal jugular vein, and above the level of hyoid bone. Middle cervical between the level of hyoid bone and cricoid cartilage. Lowered vertical group below the level of cricoid cartilage. Lymph nodes of supraclavicular fossa and posterior triangle, also known as accessory chain. Distribution. Normal cervical lymph nodes are usually found in submandibular, parotid, upper cervical and posterior triangle regions. Metastatic cervical lymph nodes are site-specific. In patients with known primary tumor, the distribution of metastatic nodes help to identify metastasis and assist tumor staging. Specific distribution is found in lymphomatous and tuberculous lymph nodes. Commonly involved groups: metastasis from oropharynx, hypopharynx, larynx carcinomas go to internal jugular chain. Metastasis from oral cavity carcinomas go to submandibular and upper cervical group. Metastasis from nasopharyngeal carcinoma go to upper cervical and posterior triangle. Metastasis from papillary carcinoma of thyroid go to internal jugular chain. Metastasis from non-head and neck carcinomas go to supraclavicular fossa and posterior triangle. Lymphoma go to submandibular, upper cervical and posterior triangle. Tuberculosis, they go to supraclavicular and posterior triangle groups. Malignant nodes are large. Inflammatory nodes can be as large as malignant nodes. The size of lymph node cannot be used as the sole criterion for differential diagnosis. In clinical practice, size of lymph nodes is useful when there is an increase in nodal size on serial examinations. In patients with known primary tumor, which is highly suggestive for metastasis. Also, serial change in the size of malignant nodes is useful in monitoring patient's treatment, response to treatment. Thank you.